When you open a case of the BioStacked Vault HP Plus Integral Seed Treatment System, the first thing you probably will notice is that the inoculant, extender, and integral biofungicide are packaged much differently than products from other companies. That's because the Vault HP packaging involves some technically advanced and specifically designed features to keep the crucial nitrogen-fixing rhizobia as fresh and strong as possible before application to the seed, meaning higher rhizobia counts delivered to the seed and longer on-seed survival. That ultimately means the ability to deliver higher yield potential to your producer customers when you include Vault HP Plus Integral in your soybean seed treatment package. Our previous video showed you why fresh live rhizobia are important for improving yield potential. This video will show the value of why Vault HP is packaged the way it is. As we open the box, the first thing you'll notice is a bag of tan-colored liquid. This bag or bladder of inoculant contains millions of live, fresh rhizobia in a special liquid medium. When you take that out, you'll find a cardboard tray. Removing the tray reveals another bag of rhizobia and another cardboard divider. After removing the next bladder of inoculant and its tray, you'll find two bags containing a yellowish liquid and two plastic bottles of integral biofungicide. The milky yellow bags contain the enhancer extender that includes the nutrients and special ingredients that help extend on-seed survival of rhizobia on the seed. This bladder also contains a patented ingredient that stimulates the rhizobia after planting, causing them to produce more of the signaling chemicals that tell the developing soybeans roots to form potential nodule sites. The plastic bottles at the bottom of the case contain the EPA-registered integral biofungicide. Regardless of the size of your box, there will always be an equal number of inoculant bladders, enhancer extender bladders, and integral bottles. The tannish brown bladder, the yellow bladder, and the brown bottle constitute one set of Vault HP Plus Integral. Now let's take a closer look at this unique packaging system. First, you'll notice the shape of the brown bladder of rhizobia. It's flat, only about 1 inch thick or less depending on the product case size, and it's separated from other bladders by a cardboard divider. As we discussed in the last video, rhizobia are living organisms that need oxygen to survive. Keeping as many of them alive and healthy for as long as possible while in the bladder is an important key to giving those rhizobia maximum on-seed stability and making this yield-enhancing system perform optimally. And since the rhizobia are alive, one of the things they most need is oxygen. Keeping the rhizobia containing bladder flat and not more than about 1 inch thick helps ensure maximum oxygen access for the rhizobia. That's also why the rhizobia are packaged in these exclusive bags and placed in the case so oxygen can penetrate from all sides. In addition to packing the bladders flat, the cardboard trays between the rhizobia bladders actually allow air to circulate completely around and into these bags. The entire system is designed to allow the rhizobia to get maximum oxygen exposure from the time they are produced until they go on the seed. Now let's take a closer look at the bladder containing the rhizobia. At first glance, it looks like just another plastic bag. As you examine it closer, you can quickly see that this bladder isn't just an ordinary plastic bag. In fact, it's actually a piece of advanced patented technology designed to maximize the movement of oxygen through the bladder wall and to the rhizobia inside. There are actually two separate layers to this bladder. The outer layer is a tougher material. Notice that there are tiny holes in it that allow oxygen to easily pass through this outside layer, while also providing protection for the inner layer. The inner layer material is very thin and is highly gas permeable. Oxygen can easily penetrate this inner layer where it's absorbed into the rhizobia containing liquid inside. The air that enters the bag will typically penetrate into the liquid only about 1/2 inch from each side, which is why it's important to keep the bladders flat. After removing all the rhizobia bladders and their separation trays, we reach the yellow enhancer extender pack. Each of these packs contains the food and vitamins needed by the rhizobia to help ensure maximum survival on the seed. Each pack also contains a patented compound that stimulates the rhizobia after planting to produce more of the chemical factors that tell the roots to form nodule sites. By using this extender, when you apply the rhizobia inoculant to the soybean, you're providing a ready source of nutrition to the rhizobia while they wait for planting, and before they can begin their beneficial activity in the soil immediately around the seed. The time period after application is critically important for your rhizobia. Keeping more of the rhizobia alive longer by improving their on-seed survival rate, sometimes referred to as OSS, the extender gives them a healthy start as they're revived from their period of reduced activity while on the seed surface. The bottles of Integral are also very important to improving root vigor and development. They contain the biofungicide that helps give soybean seeds an extra level of protection against some key yield-robbing fungi, such as Fusarium and Rhizoctonia. Applying Integral biofungicide completes the biostacked system developed to give the soybean seeds the power of better yield potential. As you have seen, the physiological requirements of rhizobia and the effort to give you all the components for increasing soybean yield potential have led us to this unique three-stage packaging system. The package configuration supports the delivery of the Vault HP biostacked system with the level of quality, longevity, and field performance expected from Becker Underwood. The entire Vault HP packaging system creates a truly premium product for both growers and Becker Underwood representatives who service them. In the next video, we'll talk specifically about how to handle and apply the Vault HP Plus Integral system.